Hello, this is Kenneth with the Bayan Group, and today we will look at using Microsoft Whiteboard in Microsoft Teams. In this video, we will discuss the following: how to present Whiteboard during a Teams meeting, how to collaborate with teammates using Whiteboard during meetings, and accessing Whiteboard work outside of meetings. In order to access and present Microsoft Whiteboard during a meeting, click on Share Content in the Actions bar or push Ctrl-Shift-E. The Share Content panel should pop up, giving you with a list of options to present during the meeting. Click Whiteboard to open the application within Teams. When the application has finished loading, you can interact with Whiteboard as if you've opened it on the web or standalone application. And that is how to present Whiteboard during a Teams meeting. By default, when Whiteboard is presented, all participants in the meeting can also interact with the presented whiteboard. This feature can be turned off by clicking on the gear icon on the upper right corner of the board and toggling the Other Participants Can Edit option. From the presenter's point of view, nothing will have changed in terms of the user interface. However, all other users will not be able to interact with Whiteboard when this feature is turned off. When the meeting is over, you can access and review the whiteboard in at least two ways. The first method is to click the calendar icon on the left navigation panel and double-click on the appropriate meeting to access its information. Once the meeting information appears, a whiteboard tab will be visible as one of the clickable tabs on the top of the meeting information. Clicking this will open the whiteboard that was used during the meeting. Thank you again for joining me in this tips and tricks video. If you found this video helpful, please like and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.